In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change profile picture in Mailchimp. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a fresh profile photo showing across your Mailchimp account, and you'll know exactly where to go the next time you want to update it. We'll move through the process step by step, keeping it simple and clear, and I'll add a few helpful tips along the way so your image looks professional and uploads without any hiccups. First, open your browser and go to Mailchimp. Once you're in your account and on the dashboard, you're ready to begin. It helps to close extra tabs and pause any large downloads so your upload goes smoothly. If you work with multiple brands, make sure you're in the right workspace before you proceed so the change shows up where you expect it. Next, look for your profile icon. This is the small circular avatar or set of initials that represents your account. You'll typically find it in a corner of the interface. Click that icon to open your account menu. This menu is your quick gateway to personal settings, billing, and other account options, and it's where you'll find the link to your profile. From that menu, choose Profile. This opens your personal profile settings page. Give the page a second to load fully. Sometimes there's a brief delay as Mailchimp pulls in your current details. Think of this area as your personal card inside Mailchimp. It holds your name, contact preferences, and the image that will display as your avatar throughout the app. On your profile page, scroll until you see the profile photo section. You'll see your current picture or a placeholder if you haven't set one yet. This is the spot we need. It's designed to make changing your image quick and straightforward, so all of the controls for updating or replacing the photo are right here in one place. Click Upload Photo. Before you do, it's a good idea to have your new image ready on your computer. For the best results, use a clear, well-lit photo with a neutral background if it's a headshot, or a crisp, centered version of your logo if you're representing a brand. Common formats like JPG and PNG work well, and a square image usually looks the most balanced in circular avatars. When the file picker opens, browse through your folders to locate the picture you want to use. If you organized your images ahead of time, this will be quick. Look for the file name you recognize and double-check that you're choosing the final version. Aim for a high-quality image that isn't blurry or overly compressed. Keeping the file size reasonable helps the upload complete faster, especially on slower connections. Now, click the photo to select it and confirm your choice in the file dialog. You'll see the upload begin right away. While it's uploading, avoid navigating away from the page or clicking other settings. If your connection is stable and the image isn't too large, this should only take a moment. Some browsers will show a quick progress indicator. If you see one, just let it finish. Once the upload completes, your profile picture updates automatically in the profile photo section. You should immediately see the new image in place of the old one. If you don't notice the change elsewhere in the app right away, refresh the page or navigate to another area and come back. Caching can occasionally delay the display for a moment, but the update has taken effect, and that's all there is to it. If your image looks off-center or cropped in an unflattering way, switch to a square version with your face or logo centered and repeat the same upload steps. Choose good lighting, keep the background simple, and use a high-resolution image for a crisp, professional look. You've successfully changed your profile picture in Mailchimp.